Hi, I'm Maria Villegas, and I am going to show you how to tell when duck is cooked. Okay, so this is a duck breast, and a duck breast is a beautiful thing. It has a nice layer of fat on it, which is really good, and we're going to put that in a skillet in a few minutes and render that before we cook the other side. So what you want to do is you want to cut into the fat portion of the duck breast, so you don't have shrinkage when you cook the duck breast, and it will render the fat very nicely. It'll become brown, and then you're ready to flip it over to the other side. So we're going to take a little salt. We're going to salt this. We're going to salt this. A little black pepper. And don't be afraid of it. A lot of people are afraid of it. And don't take out teaspoons and measuring devices and try to measure all this stuff. It doesn't work. Just use your own senses. A little pepper on this side, a little salt, and then we have the skillet heating. You're going to put the fat side of the duck down and just listen. That is an awesome sound. And you're going to let that go. You're going to turn down the heat to about medium because you want a nice even brown on the fat side. And then we're going to flip it over and we'll finish it. This is what I'm talking about, how you want the fat side nice and brown. See the pepper specks? You're going to turn it over. Nice and brown. If you turn it up too high, it'll burn, and that's no good. You want this nice and crispy, and that's a perfect color before you turn it over to its non-fatty side. Here's the thing with cooking duck or any kind of protein that's thick like this, especially meat. See the thickness of this? See how it's red right here? That's not done. And people who think that they can flip pieces of meat over back and forth and have it cooked in the middle, that's never going to happen. So what you have to do is eventually surround it with heat, and that means you need to get a skillet. First of all, you need to cook it in a skillet that will go in the oven. So we're going to take this skillet and we're going to put this duck in the oven. Okay, so here's an instant read meat thermometer. 120 is rare, 140 is medium, 145-ish is medium well, 160, 165 is well done. And that is how poultry should be eaten. Go to 150 and call it a day. There's something called carryover cooking time. After you take the duck breast out of the heat, you let it rest, and it's going to keep cooking for a few minutes. So don't think it's not, it will. And then what you do is you slice into the duck and see how it's pink, but it's not, there's no blood coming out. And this is a thicker portion of the duck. That is when your duck is done.